So in this case, it's a retinal detachment complex with a membrane peel. And so this is considering a different type of peel, H3537. So in this case, the supporting medical necessity is that retinal detachment. But Dr. Shah, can you think of some scenarios? Because sometimes the patient with a complex retinal detachment might also have an epiretinal membrane.
Yeah, so you do have scenarios like that where the patient has a retinal detachment and they have a macular hole, and you're actually repairing both at the same time, for instance, to give you one example. And those are scenarios where, again, you're going to perform membrane peeling, you're going to repair the retinal detachment. And so in that scenario, a complex would again make sense. But the key at the top of it is to have a retinal detachment is the underlying code that you need to kind of support a 67113. And then ideally, I like to have my scribes, if there is PVR or something visible, notate that so that there is retinal detachment with PVR preemptively loaded up in the chart. So and those are scenarios I do it. There are times where you will diagnose retinal detachment and then won't realize that there's PVR until you get into the operating room because that's when you can see the folding or the way that it moves. But those would be kind of the fewer and far between in terms of those cases.